Hey everyone, welcome to the project-based learning course. I'm Kyle Wagner and I'm going to be leading you through your learning. Whether you're a coordinator, a teacher leader, a teacher, whether you're a homeschool parent, or whether you're just interested in how to better run projects, I hope this course is really going to help you to do just that. It's divided up into 4 simple modules between first getting the foundations for project-based learning, then moving on to how do you actually create one of those experiences, to managing, to all the way to assessing project-based experiences. And look, what I'm hoping is that this course is simple enough for you that you are able to start enacting project-based learning right away. And that's the way the course is designed.
Traditional school forces students to learn in one style, one way, and with only one measure of assessment. Students like Sally and Susie and John, who come in all different shapes and sizes, are forced to fit a learning style that doesn't match their needs. What if through project-based learning, you as a teacher could accommodate for students with all learning styles, needs, and passions? This course will teach you how to do just that. You will learn how to design projects that teach collaboration, allow for individualized student experiences, and the incorporation of STEM and robotics. Allow students to communicate their learning to an authentic audience of peers and experts. That teach deep and rigorous content, including mathematics, and science. That also allow you as a teacher to become a coach that guides students through learning experiences, rather than always being the sage on stage. You will learn how to design experiences that connect students to professionals and experts in the real world who can help students develop their ideas. Finally, you will learn how to manage project-based experiences, from design to implementation to presentation for a professional audience. Here's to your continued success with project-based learning.